The class history tool allows you to review all monitored student device activity. You can access the class history tool by either clicking the class history button right down here or clicking class history tab up at the top. Both will bring you to the class history page. There are a few different drop-down menu items. Student allows you to either view all students or individual students. The date allows you to narrow down or expand the amount of time that you're viewing the student activity for. So I'm going to click on the last 7 days. So I'm viewing all students' activity for the past 7 days. And the activities drop-down menu lets you choose from viewing all activities, all website activity, or all application activity. You also have the option to print this report. It shows you the websites or apps students accessed, the number of views, and the total amount of time the student or students were viewing said app or website.